goal with this activity is to really work on your lower body power as well as your hip mobility. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna need a box or some type of elevated surface because you're gonna do a landing off of one leg. So with that, what I'm gonna do, just so you can see from the side, I'm gonna step forward and I wanna drop down into a landing on one leg. When I do that, I'm gonna make sure I get slight whole foot contact, knee is bent, and I drop down, and I'm very lazy with my landing. We don't want like a stiff that. Now, once you've done the landing, what you're gonna do as quickly as possible, so you don't want like a really low jump or low descent, you're gonna switch to a lateral bound just like that. When you do the lateral bound, you wanna make sure that you're not jumping up very high. Imagine that you're doing this in a tunnel and you wanna be quick. And then once you get into that position, from there, you wanna stick the landing, rinse and repeat. So it's gonna look like this. So I'm here, I'm gonna do the drop off first, into a lateral bound, just like that. So drop, lateral bound, rinse and repeat. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.